Hi, this is King of Review. True or false? A linear line crosses a parabola only once. Well, let's think about this. How can we draw a line and a parabola on the same coordinate plane? Let's look at some examples. If we have a coordinate plane here with an x and y axis, well, we can draw a parabola like this. And we can draw a line like this. So in this case, there are no points of intersection. So there are 0 points of intersection. But we can also draw it like this. If we have another coordinate plane here with our x and y axis, let's say we have a parabola here, and we have a line that goes like this. Well, this one has 1 point of intersection, which is right here. And we can draw yet another scenario. We have our x and y axis, and we have a parabola. And what if we have a horizontal line like this? In this case, there are 2 points of intersection too. So it's not necessarily true that a line crosses a parabola only once. It can be 0, 1, or 2 times. So this is false. But let's take a look at an example that we can actually graph. So let's graph y equals x squared, and this is a parabola. And let's graph y equals 5. So let's make a table of values here. Let's plot 0, 1, 2, -1, and -2. So if we plug in a 0 for x, we get y equals 0 squared, which is 0. Now when x equals 1, we get y equals 1 squared, or 1. When x equals 2, we have y equals 2 squared, or 4. When x equals -1, we have y equals -1 squared, which is 1. And when x equals -2, we have y equals -2 squared, or 4. So let's plot this. Here's our x-axis and our y-axis. Okay, so our first point is at 0, 0, which is right here. We have a point at 1, 1, and a point at 2, 4. And then we have a point at -1, 1, and -2, 4. So filling this in, here's our parabola. And now let's plot the line y equals 5. So this is a horizontal line at y equals 5. So that looks like this. So where are the points of intersection in this graph? Well, we have a point here and a point here. So in this case, there are 2. So a linear line crosses a parabola only once. This is false. Thanks for watching.